Look at me. So yeah, I'm not feeling so good. I think it's the weather. Well, for a whole week so far, it's been raining. Yeah, nasty. Last night they showed, Glee, but it was all over my Twitter and Facebook about that all of a sudden in the middle of Glee, they decided to, because supposedly there was a tornado that came in the area, and, well, you got beady eyes, gotta turn it off. There she is. She's so cute. Take her. And so now I'm watching Glee, and I'm going to find out what I missed out. And now she's in the window. She's a special little girl. And I'm just waiting on my easy mac and spinach. Yum. So much rain. I don't want this rain. Oh, it just means bad news for me. It means more customers inside, maybe. I'm not quite sure. But look at that. Is that nuts? I don't want this. It's worse out this way. Look out this way because of the thing. See? By the way, that's my new notification thing. Look, you can see it outside. It's got that rainy. It's horrible, and it's only been like 2 minutes since I taped the last time. It's just nuts. A whole week of rain. There we hang, so. I don't know. Can you see outside? I don't know why the light is on. There we go. Now we have it. Ooh, there was some lightning. So yeah. Thundering outside. Not a good time for me. So we're going to open the door.
You know, a lot of women buy their perfect dress when they see, and then just trust the fact that the husband will come. Yeah. This is my year. I'm moving on too. I'm just doing it in my own order. I'm going to get the wedding dress, and then I'm going to have a baby, and then I'm going to die, and then I'm going to meet a super cute guy in heaven.
You know that you are such a dork. Get back in there. My Safa. So, I am right now doing this lovely blanket. It's pretty big so far. Going to be bigger. And then there's a kitty in there still. Oh, bother.